right, welcome back. We've got the HE, the error code that tells you that this part is not connected. Okay, so it's an error code, but it's what's supposed to do when that happens. Now, when you plug this in, you're supposed to see this thing turn, and you should get some heat in here. Do believe everything is correct. I did not double check this, so I'm hoping that they didn't just take the one that I sent them and sent it just right back to me, hoping for the best. So this is supposed to show some numbers now.
Likey